Great day. What's up, power washing world? I'm going to touch bases on something really quick. Running your business, any business for that matter. In our case, we're talking about power washing or pressure washing, soft washing, roof cleaning, whatever. You have to take care of your business so that your business takes care of you. What I mean by that is, when you make your money, allow your money to be the resource to continue to make money. Don't make the money go out and buy all these frivolous things because the money comes so fast. You're thinking it ain't gonna ever run out. But then you come up with a scenario or a situation like COVID 2020, COVID-19 2020. You have to be in a position to be able to sustain and maintain during the valley moments. Meaning, most businesses are shut down, they've laid off hundreds of thousands of people. Unemployment rate is at an all-time historical high. However, if you do the things necessary to put yourself in a position to be able to maintain and sustain when there's no work coming in, now you're actually running a business. Get a CPA, bank account, make sure all your transactions and things of that nature are on file, and you keep track of it. You know, it's easy to get caught up in running a company out of your pocket, whether it's the right pocket, the left pocket, or the back pocket. Your business will not last like that. Don't get in the habit of buying unnecessary things that you don't necessarily need when you're making all that money. Put up. Remember, allow your business and help your business sustain itself. Wash on.